Hello, you are receiving this video to watch because either when you are reading, you are having trouble telling the difference between the letter D and the letter B, or when you are writing, you are having trouble writing the correct letter, whether it be a B or a D, or you're struggling with both reading B's and D's and writing B's and D's. So this is some practice that you're going to do at home to help you. First thing you're going to do, and it doesn't matter what you're struggling with, the idea and the activities are the same. You're going to look at the word, and you're going to obviously read, as we do in English, from left to right. Hopefully you'll recognize that the word is dig. And then you're going to look at what your finger or your pen hits first, meaning we read from left to right, and I see this letter and it starts with a D. And I know that because D is the first letter in the word donut. So the first thing I see as I read the letter and then eventually the word is I see that circle coming first. That's my donut. So every time, and this is a little book of practice, every time if we see that circle come first, we need to fill that hole with the donut. And in our brains, tell ourselves, okay, D is for donut. It is very important for your brain and for your reading and writing ability to practice this, even though you obviously, I'm sure, will be able to tell the words apart. Okay, so our next page, you will read it, dog, and then you will determine what am I seeing first. As I'm reading from left to right, I'm seeing a circle, which is for a donut, and I'm going to fill that in. And this is just some retraining of your brain to make sure your brain is noticing how do we start the shape of that letter. And then you'll keep going. Okay, next word is dot. And again, as soon as you hit that circle, first we know that is a donut. So that's going to be a D. You're going to continue to do this, and some of the pages you're going to get both a B and a D on. So when you hit the word, you see the word is bad, and you hit that straight line first, we know that is a B because we're hitting the straight line first. So we can put a bat there, as in a baseball bat, which starts with the letter B. So this is going to be bad. So we see that is a donut. And again, we are only putting on the page whatever we see first when we read from left to right. So I see the line first. That triggers my brain to think, okay, that I'm seeing the baseball bat first, so that's going to be a B. And then as I'm reading, if I hit that circle first, then that's my D. That is my donut. You should never have more than one picture on a letter. It's always what you see first. So you're going to keep going. You're going to read the word. The word is kid. You're going to recognize that as your finger or pen is moving from left to right, in this particular word, we hit the circle first. So that's our donut. And I know that's going to be a D. We're just going to practice the whole book each night for however long it takes you to do one round. And go slowly. We know you can do this quickly, but we're trying to retrain your brain so that when your brain sees other bigger words, you have the same ability to distinguish or tell the difference between the B's and the D's. So this word is sad, and I'm going to notice immediately that's a D because the circle is coming first, or the donut is coming first. Again, you're going to practice the whole book every night. Go slow. Here's one more, and then I think you get it. The next word would be bag. So my pen or my finger, when I'm reading from left to right, is hitting a straight line first. That means it's a baseball bat. So I am knowing that this letter is a B, and it's going to be bag. Now, once you have this down pat and you practice this book, then you'll get a new video with the next step, which is going to be practicing writing your B's and your D's. Good luck, Rockstars. I know you'll be amazing as always.